Do you ever feel like you're only using a little piece of ChatGPT? You open it up, you type in a question, and you get the answer, and then you close your computer? Well, that's what most people do. But ChatGPT can do a whole lot more, especially for trip planning. Today I'll show you 4 things that most beginners never try. I'm Vicki and this is my channel. I do step-by-step simple tech tutorials and ChatGPT for travel planning for seniors. Stay with me. The first thing is uploading a photo and asking ChatGPT about it. This is one of those features a lot of people don't even know exist, but it's so helpful when you're traveling. You know that moment. You're looking at a photo you took, a menu or a historical marker, and you're not quite sure what it means. Instead of guessing, you can upload a picture to ChatGPT and ask it to explain what you're looking at. Here's what that means in simple terms. It's like having someone sitting next to you who can look at the same thing and tell you what it says or what it means. Here's the photo I'm going to use for this tutorial. It's of the trolls in a park in Raleigh, North Carolina. And here's the prompt in ChatGPT that I would use. I'm uploading the photo. Please tell me what I'm looking at. Explain it in simple English and tell me why it might be interesting to a traveler over 60. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the prompt 1 and show you how to upload a travel photo. So I'm going to do the plus sign here and add photos and files. Okay, I'm going to pick one from here. I'm going to pick this one and we'll upload it. And now I'm going to paste the prompt in there. Okay, I'm going to press enter and see what I get. Okay, so it tells us what we're seeing here. You're looking at a large outdoor wooden sculpture in the shape of a whimsical forest creature, probably a troll, giant, or fairy tale character. And this is one of our pictures from our trip, and this was in Raleigh of the trolls. So it tells you all kinds of things about this picture. So this is a giant wooden forest troll hiding among the trees. Okay, so we're going to move on now. This is useful because you're not just seeing something, you're actually understanding it. You could use this with the restaurant menu, a museum sign, a historical marker, anything that catches your eye but leaves you wondering. That can make travel a lot more interesting and a lot less confusing. The second thing is summarizing confusing travel information. And I have to say, this is one of the most useful things ChatGPT can do. Have you ever looked at a hotel cancellation rules or rental car terms, travel insurance wording? It can be long, it can be confusing, and honestly, sometimes the most important part is buried right in the middle. ChatGPT can turn all that wording into simple English. Now let me be clear, ChatGPT is not a lawyer and you will still need to verify the real policy, but it can help you understand what you're reading before you make a decision. And I'm going to show you an example of a car rental agreement here. So this is a car rental agreement that I found online. So I'm going to upload this in ChatGPT and ask them a prompt. I'm going to put in the next prompt. This is prompt 2 that I will use with that sample car rental agreement. Prompt 2 says, summarize this travel information in simple English. Tell me the 3 most important things I need to know, anything that could cost me money, and anything I should verify before booking. Now I've opened ChatGPT so we can enter the sample car rental agreement and the prompt. So I'm going to add the car agreement. And now I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, so now I'm going to press enter and see what it tells me. Okay, it says this is a sample car rental agreement. The three most important things to know is one, you're responsible for extra cost. Late return can cost more. Insurance is not clearly included. Things that could cost you money, going from security deposit, damages, deductibles. What to verify before booking. Before signing, verify all this. This is a sample document, so it's just for illustration purposes only. So that shows you how they will clearly show you what to look out for in an agreement. For travel, I really want to know three things. Can I cancel? Will I lose money? And is there anything I need to double check before I book? This can save you a lot of time and help you feel more confident before you click that final button. The third thing is planning a day around your energy. Most travel itineraries try to pack in a way too much in a day. Go here, walk there, squeeze in another stop, find lunch, then hurry to the next place. That might sound good on paper, but it can feel exhausting when you're actually there. We're not in our 20s, 30s, or 40s anymore. We're getting older, so let's make good choices. ChatGPT can help you plan a slower, easier day. You can ask for easy walking places to sit, good food nearby, and a schedule that doesn't feel rushed. And I'm going to go over the prompt that I used right here. Prompt 3. Prompt 3 says create a relaxed 1 day itinerary for Beaufort, South Carolina. I am a traveler over 60. I want easy walking, places to sit and rest, good food nearby, and nothing rushed. Keep it to 4 activities or less and include a short rest break after lunch. Okay, now I have prompt 3 that I pasted into ChatGPT. So it says, we just read it, so I'm not going to reread it. So I'm going to press the arrow in the black circle, and that will enter the prompt. Okay, so now look at what you get. Relaxed 1 day Beaufort, South Carolina itinerary. Late morning, where to go to Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park. Late morning, lunch. This is a day built around comfort. It gives you ideas, but it also gives you breathing room. And if the plan still feels like too much, you can just ask ChatGPT to make it even easier. So we're going to paste another prompt. I'll just show you. I keep them on a drive here on my Google Drive. So now I'm just going to copy and paste prompt 4 and put it into ChatGPT. That's easier that way. Okay, so this one is make this itinerary easier, reduce the walking, add more rest time, and keep the day calm and simple. We're going to enter and see what we get for that. Okay, easier, calmer, 1 day Beaufort itinerary. Very little walking, more rest, no rushing. So start slowly at the Waterford Park. It gives you how long that should take you, walking level. Take a carriage tour instead of walking the historic district. Easy lunch nearby. Keep lunch slow. This is part of the day, not something to rush through. Rest break after lunch. One small afternoon stop, only if you feel like it. And here they tell you by time. So the best version of the day: waterfront park, carriage tour, lunch, rest, one small stop, and done. So ChatGPT will give you what you're looking for. That's what makes this so useful. ChatGPT doesn't just help you plan where to go, it can help you plan a day you can actually enjoy at your pace. The fourth thing is turning your trip into a simple checklist. Use this before every trip. If you ever have that feeling like you're forgetting something, You know, all those little things floating around in your head. I do that all the time. ChatGPT can organize everything into one simple list. Not a huge, overwhelming packing list, a checklist for your specific trip, where you're going, how long you'll be gone, and what you need to double check before you leave. And I'm going to share the prompt with you now. Prompt 5 is make me a simple travel checklist for a 3-day road trip to Beaufort, South Carolina. I am over 60 and want the checklist organized by before I leave, what to pack, phone and tech items, medicine and health items, and things to double check on travel day. Keep it simple and practical. Now I have opened my chat GPT and I copy and pasted prompt 5. I can take out prompt 5 there. I don't need that. So we just read it. And now I'm going to hit the black circle with the arrow and enter. So this takes everything that's swirling around in your head and puts it into one organized place. You can use it before you leave, while you're packing, or even the night before the trip. And if the list feels too long, just ask ChatGPT to shorten it. Here's the prompt I will be sharing you with that prompt after we go over this. So simple 3-day road trip checklist. Before I leave, confirm hotel or campground reservation, and there's a few of them. Last one's fill the gas tank the day before if possible. What to pack, comfortable walking shoes. We've got sleepwear, toiletries, sunscreen, and more on that list. Phone and tech items includes phone charger, emergency contact, weather app, and check that before you leave. Medicine and health items. You have a list of that. Extra medicines for 2 to 3 days. Stomach medicine, bandages, hand sanitizer, mobility aid if you need one. Okay, so 5 things to double check on travel day. And before you pull away, check these 5 things: wallet, phone, medicine, keys, and glasses. So it keeps you organized. So now, if you want it even simpler, I'm going to copy and paste prompt 6. I'm going to copy it, put it in here, and it says make the checklist shorter and easier to follow. Put most important items on top. I entered. Short 3-day road trip checklist. Most important, check first: driver's license, wallet, credit card, and some cash. Phone charger, daily meds, glasses. Before I leave, check the weather, check the driving route, fill the gas tank. What to pack: comfortable walking shoes, toiletries, sunglasses. Phone and tech includes phone charger, card charging cord, portable charger. Save directions on printed directions and reservations saved on phone. Medicine and health has more. Travel day, double check before you drive away. Say this out loud: wallet, phone, medicine, glasses, and keys. So you want to make sure you have all of those. This is simple, but it can really lower stress before a trip. You can print the list, copy it into a document, or just keep it on your phone where you can see it before you leave. These are the 4 travel tips that I use every trip. Remember to always verify what ChatGPT tells you. It's not always right. But as a starting point for finding places and solving problems you'd never figure out on your own, it's remarkable. ChatGPT does help trip planning become much simpler and faster. It works because you can start with one prompt, narrow it down to help you find the right information you're looking for. ChatGPT for Seniors finds you answers in minutes instead of hours. All of that from just a few prompts. So those are my 4 things that most beginners never try. Please comment below which one you'll try first. And just put the number. Number 1 is upload a photo. Number 2 is summarize confusing information. Number 3 is plan a day around your energy. Number 4 is a simple checklist. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel for a lot more tutorials on ChatGPT and travel planning. Next time I'll be doing ChatGPT found 3 hidden gems. Thanks again. Have a great day.